A possible outbreak of Legionnaires disease in Albert Lea. State health officials are linking that disease to those using the pool and spa area of the Ramada by Wyndham Hotel.
Yeah, Legionnaires disease is a severe form of pneumonia triggered by bacteria, and it can spread by mist or fine spray from the water. ABC 6 News reporter Miguel Octavio spoke with a family member who says her mother was diagnosed after staying at that hotel. He's live outside the place right now. Miguel, how's that mom doing?
Well, Laura and Ross, the family of Lori Haler says she's still in the hospital. She's under a respirator and is on dialysis. They said this all started after she spent some time in the hot tub area of this hotel. Doctors say she was diagnosed later with Legionnaire's disease, and the family says she may not be the only one in the family who fell victim to this. Lexy Munkberg says a 2-day visit to a hotel is changing her mother's life.
She started getting sick.
Her mom, Lori Haler, spent time in the pool and spa area the end of June. Days later, her daughter says she had no strength and no answers from doctors.
She was weak, she had chills.
Everything escalated July 8th. Loved ones rushed her to the hospital, and first responders flew her from Albert Lea to Rochester.
It's terrifying to get the phone call that, oh, she is being airlifted. With my younger siblings crying, my brother trying to hold it together.
Lori is making progress, but the family still needs more answers. They say Lori's boyfriend, James Mueller, stayed at the hotel with her and also spent time in the water. He also fell ill, but he didn't make it. He died days later.
On July 4th, my mom found him passed away on her bathroom floor.
The family's waiting on the medical examiner's report to find out if this was Legionnaire's disease. While it won't bring James back, it could give some closure.
We've all broken down, we've all cried because we don't want anybody else to go through this.
The family is living one day at a time, turning to their mom's progress as hope.
I don't think there's a person that hasn't met her that won't tell you that she's a truly amazing person.
They hope by sharing their story, they can prevent this to happen to anyone else.
It's so rough seeing a loved one so incapacitated that they're not themselves.
Laura and Ross, Lexy's also saying that she's shared her story on social media, and ever since, she says, more people have been reaching out to her in similar situations, and that's her hope, is that by sharing her story, more people who have been impacted by this will be able to get the help they need very fast. Laura and Ross.